Okay, this is a little video just to quickly vouch for mpb.com. I'm not affiliated or anything, so all you need to do is type in mpb.com and it will, um, you can go and visit the website. So this is for buying and selling camera gear. I travel a lot, so I was out of the loop, and whilst I was away a few months ago, I learned about this website. I'm not sure exactly how. Um, but I learned about it because I was looking to buy a camera. And then when I got back to the UK, I typed in mpb.com. As you can see, the URL immediately recognizes I'm in the UK, and it kind of shows me the local version of the website. So it also works in the USA and in Europe. And if you just type in mpb.com, it will show you, it will recognize where you are, and then it will show you the local version of the website. So if you're in the US, it will show you gear in the US for dollars. I'm in the UK, so it's showing me stuff in pounds. So I've not bought from it yet, but I would not hesitate after my experience with them. My experience is that I've sold 4 things through mpb.com, and I was very happy with the experience. It took a little bit longer for them to assess the gear. What happens is they give you a quote online. If you like the price, they then tell you how to wrap it up, and then the guy comes and collects it the next day, or whenever you arrange a day for them to come and collect it. Then they assess it for a while, and it took a bit longer than I thought. I was expecting it to be a few days, maybe it was a week or so. And then they give you a final quote, and if you accept that, you give them your bank details and they put it in your bank. It's so easy. You don't have to muck around with eBay listings, taking photos and paying eBay fees, and then packaging it, and then wondering whether you've got everything perfect. You just send them it in a box, and they will refurbish the gear and sell it back on. So I sold 2 cameras and 2 lenses, and what's really made me do this is that one of the prices went up by £10, which is about $13 or something. It's not a lot, but I really like that. I like the fact that they give you a quote, and they're prepared to go up in price. One of the items went down £10, so it evened out, but still, that was on a different day. That was selling a camera, and I didn't have a cable included, so it's fair enough. They've got to find a cable from somewhere in order to sell the camera. So yeah, you just type in whatever it is you want to look for. This is an incognito window, so I won't have anything saved. So let's just type in Sony 20mm, and then you get a drop down box, and then you can click on the item. And then it shows you, this is actually the wrong photo they've got here. They need to fix this if anyone sees it from MPB. And then you go in and browse whatever they've got available. It tends to be a bit more expensive than eBay, but I would definitely choose this. I would definitely pay a bit extra, an extra 15% or something, because you're going to get peace of mind buying through a quality company like this. I have, since learning about them, I have seen the name mentioned here and there, but I think it's worth spreading the news a little bit more that this is better than eBay. They tend to sell for quite a high price cameras, but you are getting a warranty. Sometimes your product may have a warranty already on it if it's fairly new still, but they also give you their own warranty, and they're going to have guys that are checking everything is good in the first place. So you can trade in, or you can just trade in stuff on its own. Like I sold 4 items, and yeah, that's it. Normally you get, there's just one available here. So normally you get a big selection of stuff to choose from, and then you can choose ones that are in good condition, fair condition, excellent condition. It's just a brilliant website. And if you're selling, you just click up here, and you just enter the model, the condition. I would go up a little bit with the condition. If it's in very good condition, I would lean up a little bit to excellent. But I was fairly honest with them, and I was happy that they were honest with me by raising one of the prices. So it's dead easy to use, and as you can see, this is the Trustpilot reviews. That's always nice to see. 20,000 reviews, and it kind of puts you at ease that this is a really good service and definitely one worth supporting. It's just much easier than eBay. I sold another lens on eBay recently because it wasn't on here. It was a plastic lens. Um, it wasn't a nightmare, but it just feels nicer selling on here. And they gave me very fair prices, I thought, for the items that I sold. And you get the price first, which is great. Like I said, two items I got exactly what I thought I would get, what they quoted. One item was £10 less, and one item was £10 more. So very happy with the service. Just be patient with them checking it because they've probably got thousands, well, hundreds of items coming in every day. So I noticed a couple of the reviews were very impatient, and that seems to be the only problem with MPB is people being a little bit impatient with them. Just give it time, and they will get to it. And they're pretty honest. So highly recommended. MPP.com, Europe, UK, America. Thumbs up from me. Just wanted to quickly let you know. Have a good day.